Are you ready to transform your typing experience? In this video, we unveil the top 5 best ergonomic keyboards of 2025, keyboards designed to boost comfort, productivity, and style. Whether you're a professional, a gamer, or just looking to upgrade your setup, these picks are game changers. Stick around to find the perfect fit for your needs. And don't forget, all the product links are in the description below, so you can grab your favorite right away. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more top tech recommendations. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. Logitech ERGO K860 Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. Best overall. If you close your eyes and picture an ergonomic keyboard, it probably looks a lot like the ERGO K860 Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard from Logitech. This QWERTY keyboard has two primary sections of keys with a tented split down the middle, a built-in multilayer foam padded palm rest, and it sits at a low angle that reduces wrist strain. That angle can be adjusted for optimized user comfort. The K860 can be operated wirelessly via Bluetooth or with a wired connection, and it works well with both Macs and PCs. The keys have a scooped indent that matches the shape of your fingertips and they are smooth and easy to press. While pricier than most ergonomic keyboards, this is a highly effective and comfortable piece of hardware that receives top ratings from customers. Number 2. KINESIS Advantage 360 Professional Split Ergonomic Keyboard. Best high-end. The KINESIS Advantage 360 Professional Split Ergonomic Keyboard is almost quadruple the price of the next most expensive keyboard we're featuring, but once you're comfortable with it, nothing else will do. That's because this fully split keyboard allows a skilled user to dash out copy or code faster than he or she could ever do with a basic keyboard, as their hands will rarely have to shift positions. This ergonomic keyboard lets you place its halves wherever you want and adjust the tilt upward as preferred. Its vertically oriented keys mean faster typing with minimal hand movement, and every key on this keyboard can be custom programmed. If you spend many hours a day typing away and you demand the highest levels of performance from your hardware, this is the top-of-the-line ergonomic keyboard to get. Number 3. Logitech MX Keys Mini Minimalist Wireless Illuminated Keyboard. Best compact. At a glance, the Logitech MX Keys Mini Minimalist Wireless Illuminated Keyboard might look like a regular keyboard, and in many ways it is. It's not a split keyboard, there's no tenting feature, and it doesn't have a built-in keypad. What makes it ergonomic is that, at about 75% the size of a standard computer keyboard, most users will be able to tap most of its keys without moving their wrists. That means less strain on your wrists and hands and less risk of chronic injury over time. The compact keyboard also features keycaps with a concavity designed to comfortably accommodate your fingertips. The keyboard may be too small for people with larger hands, but most people will find it easy to use and will appreciate the soft, responsive keys that are easy to see in bright conditions. Thanks to light-sensitive backlighting, this keyboard is easy to use in the dark. And as this keyboard is so compact, it's a solid choice for the person who has a smaller workspace or play space. Number 4. Logitech ERGO K860 Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. Best for quiet environments. Typing sounds can be annoying. If you're bothered by the clattering noise of your own typing, or if you share a space with others in a quiet room, this ergonomic keyboard from Logitech is the best choice. Beyond the soft tap produced by its smooth keys, the ERGO K860 is a solid keyboard for many other reasons. It has a split and tented design, and its angle can be adjusted up off the desk at 3 different settings. It has an included memory foam wrist pad. And it has scooped keycaps that match the natural shape of your fingers. This is a large keyboard, and many users report that it's big for their hands. But if the Logitech ERGO K860 Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard fits your hands and your work or play space, it's the best choice if you want to minimize the clacking of keys. Number 5. Keychron Q8 Alice Custom Mechanical Keyboard. Best mechanical. If you love the click sound and that satisfying feel of a mechanical keyboard and are looking for less hand and wrist strain, this Keychron Q8 is the choice for you. It has a split QWERTY design that lets you type rapidly with minimal hand movement and maximum accuracy. Note, if you have never used a split keyboard before, there may be a bit of a learning curve. Broadly compatible with operating systems and able to be synced to 3 devices at a time, it's a solid keyboard built to last thanks to its CNC machined aluminum body. This mechanical keyboard has south-facing RGB LED-lit keys that glow softly without calling too much attention away from the keys themselves. They do that without any help anyway, given the different colors of the various keycaps, red being used for some critical keys like Enter and Escape, black for Backspace, Space, and more, and gray for the rest. A switch on the back of the Keychron A8 Alice switches it from Mac compatibility to Windows, while a wired connection links it to your computer.